What's up, guys? So today we are filming a video where we are going to go mountain biking over just in the neighborhood, just locally. But I'm going to keep this intro short because we're losing daylight right now because I procrastinated and waited way too long to start filming this video. So let's go. Okay, so we just finished the trails, and those were pretty fun, but we don't feel like going all the way back up the hill again. So we're just gonna go up to the switch. We're gonna go up the switchback, sorry, and then we are going to go to the jumps. Sorry, I cannot speak right now. Okay, we're gonna go to the jumps. See you guys there. Okay, so we made it to the top of the switchbacks. What the hell is Soren doing? Okay, he's gone. I think he's just trying to get a ton of speed to hit this huge jump, which is right over here. Okay, so the rain made this huge jump, and our friend Brandon hit it going pretty fast, and he got actually some decent air, but this is an epic jump. Oh, Jesus Christ, I just fell. So this is an epic jump right here. I just fell into there. Oh, Soren's gonna hit it. Oh crap. Okay, hold up.